Hello, I'm in a 2010 Toyota Tacoma, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from here, we'll go down, and there should be a little lever here to pull. Pop, if you could hear it, was the safety releasing. Back here, you should see a cable attached with some tightness. If there's no cable, you want to address that and get it reattached. And then most vehicles, there'll be a little lever towards the middle. This one's right here, so a pinch and lift. That's it. So that's where it was hooked on. And then this is what that looked like. So make sure there's no debris stuck in here. If it's really stuck, maybe some WD-40 will loosen it. That's it, and that's all hooked onto here. Also make sure nothing's bent out of place. And make sure your hood's properly aligned so it'll close straight. But otherwise, that's it. Hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.